Welcome to the third and final part of making a YouTube thumbnail. In the first part, what we did is we took an image and removed the background, leaving just a foreground image, which happened to be a picture of me. Sorry about that. In part two, we took that image that we had left and we put it into GIMP, and I showed you how to put an outline around that image. This part, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to use the really basic tools in GIMP to finish off that thumbnail. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time that you've ever been to our channel, you'll find that everything we do on here is all about different ways you can make money online. We do affiliate marketing, the stock market, and different side hustles, if you like, that you can use to boost your income and just little ways to make money online. Now, we actually do affiliate marketing ourselves, so if that's something that you'd like to know more about, go and check out the link in the description below. And if you are interested in learning different ways to make money online, then subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification as well, so that you get notified each and every time we put out a new video. So I'm going to get into this thumbnail tutorial now. Just take you through the steps that I generally do when I'm creating my thumbnails, and this is the software that I actually do use as well. As you know, we're using GIMP for the thumbnails, so I'm going to open GIMP and I'm just going to go in and we're going to open up where we left off from yesterday. So it's this one here, and I want to open it, and it's going to open up where we left off. And so you get to look at my lovely face, all puckered. I'm in the middle of talking there. That's a screenshot from one of the videos. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a little bit of text in here, and all we need for this is the text tool. Generally do one word at a time. And then I need a new seat. Like all the time, it just starts going down by itself. So for this, we're going to go with, yeah, I think thumbnail, and then we'll just call it tutorial, I guess. Capital letter there. Right, okay, so we've got our text in. I generally like to put an outline around my letters and my words as well as around myself. So I'll just position these where I want them. And then I'm going to choose the size. So I go back here. This is the text tool. This tool is what you can use to move it. So if you click multiple times, then you'll see you get little boxes around each letter. Once it does that, it means you can alter the size, the colour, the font. So I'm just going to increase this to 190. That'll work. And I am going to leave it black. And I'm going to change this to 192. 190. And I'm going to leave this one as it is. So the same as doing the outline for the image is this. That's how we're going to do the outline for the letters. So we have to do an alpha to selection. So I'm going to do the thumbnail first. I'll get my little move tool and click on there, and it shows you here what layer you're on, and it tells you what layer it's called as well. So for this one, it's thumbnail. So what I'm going to do is right click, alpha to selection, and you can see you've got your each letter has like been selected. So we're then going to go to select, we're going to go to grow, and we're going to grow it by 16. And then you can see how we've got a border around it now that's bigger. This is where we're going to fill it. Now, before you do this, as you can see this box here that goes all the way around, you need to remove this box from there. You can't just fill it like that, and to do that we add another layer. So we're going to click in here and we're going to put a new layer in and just hit OK. And then we can fill it. If you don't do that and that box stays there, where the box goes through your outline here, it's not going to fill it and you're going to end up with gaps. Okay, so make sure you add that layer. Then we're going to go and grab our fill tool. We're going to choose the colour to fill it. So we could go with, let's go with white, just to be simple and boring. So we'll go and fill it white. No, we won't. I was on the wrong one. So here, thumbnail. This layer we've just started here needs to come down below there. I'm getting carried away with myself here. So the layer we've just created needs to come underneath the layer that we're working on. So thumbnail goes above. Now, when we fill it, it's going to go white as it should have done in the first place. And then we're going to do the same for tutorial and the same for part 3. When you've done it, you can click on your thumbnail layer here and you can just hit merge down, and then that's going to merge that down. So the 2 layers that you've just created are now one. So now we're going to go to tutorial, grab my move tool, go to tutorial, and we're going to go alpha to selection, select, grow, 16, and then remember, add the layer and just hit OK and move your new layer down underneath the layer that you're working on, and we can hit our fill tool and fill that. Merge down, and the same for part 3. Alpha to selection, select, grow. I'm going to do 12 on part 3. Add new layer, OK, and we're going to fill it. Didn't do it again. Move your new layer down underneath and fill it. OK, and then merge down. So now I've got all the writing in there, I've got myself in there, I've put my borders around everything. All I'm going to do now is just go and grab myself a little logo, YouTube logo. So I'm going to open it as a layer, and images for thumbnails. This is the one I'm going to use. Open, and I want to rescale this so it's a little smaller. So I'm going to right click on the layer here, and we're going to go to scale layer. I'm going to take it down to maybe a little bigger, around maybe a little bigger. Let's go with around 200 scale. That's it, perfect. And I'm going to move that up here. And I'm done with that. So really simple way to make your thumbnails, and part 1, part 2 will be in the description below. So Paint 3D to remove backgrounds, GIMP to finish off your thumbnails. GIMP is really easy, I absolutely love it. So that is it for this video. So if you've enjoyed the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We do everything relating to ways you can make money online. Like I said before, We do affiliate marketing, and if that is something that you're interested in, do check out the link below in the description. So for now, guys, that's everything, and take care.